Hello YouTube, back once again. Today, this is a birthday build, because today's my birthday. So today, I'm going to build a 1969 Camaro Z28 RS. My first Revell build on the channel. And this is my only Revell I got right now. I have to pick up some more. But first we got some motor parts, and then there's the manifold parts, and there's one interior part. It's the console. You got fan. This is for like the hood thing, but I'm not gonna put that on. Here's the hood. And then you got the interior sides. Then you got the firewall. And then you got the front spoiler. And you got the suspension parts. And then you got probably like interior motor parts, stuff like that. Wheel parts. Grill and body parts. And then you got the whole exhaust system, which goes on top of each other. The exhaust isn't really that big. Then you got the rest of the interior. See, it's in like a little tub thing, so it won't be too bad when we put the sides on. Got the back part of the seats. Then you got the dash. Then you got radiator pieces and suspension. Then you got drive shaft. Then you got the frame here. And then you got more suspension parts. There's a piece missing there. I'll show you in a minute. Then you got the back seat, front part of the seat. And here's the part that it came off. This is what the front of the motor sits on. So, and you got the body, a nice lovely body. This will be basically how you see it on the box. That's how this is going to be. And you got the chrome tree. You got bumpers, mirrors, carburetors, license plate things, tail light covers, valve covers. You got the lovely grill that will be black washing. Steering wheel, paint around it flat black. And then you got the rims I'll be using. And you got tires that they picked off the tire tree somewhere. I don't know where to get these, but yeah, one of the tires came off. But we'll be sanding these down. We got tail lights. I'll be using these. These are the ones I'll be using. You got the windshield parts and headlights, all that. Lovely decals. I'll be using white stripes. And use the Z28 license plate. And then the lovely directions. When we come back, we'll have everything, what's gonna be what this collar, what's gonna be spray painting that collar. I'll be gluing a few things together. So, see you when we're ready to be painting. Okay guys, we're back with an update. Here's the body. I put the hood on, and then the back piece, and then the rear foiler. Here's the exhaust system, the grill, and whatever this thing is, and then the manifolds. All this will be spray painted aluminum. This will be spray painted orange. Along with that, it'll be spray painted black, 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 which I will go back with aluminum for the drive shaft. black, black, and I will go back black with for this hose, and black for the frame and seats and all that. And I put this piece in already, glued in. And then this will black wash here in a minute. So when we come back, I'll show you what paints will be used, and then paint update or whatever, what some things look like painted. So stay tuned. Okay, here's the body, what it looks like. Getting ready to be spray painted in metallic blue. So now we're ready to show you what the paints and some things we'll be using. Got a metallic blue for the body, a matte black or a flat for the frame stuff, a hugger orange for the engine, but there's not much left. I'm gonna try to use what's in here. If I don't have enough, I'll use this regular orange. And if there's any touch-ups I need to do, I got orange, red for probably side lights or tail lights or something, flat black to do the steering wheel or touch-ups on some things, and then aluminum if I need to go back on some things. And then here's a chrome Sharpie, my hobby knife, got glue, this razor blade knife if I need to, and I know I say this every build I do, but my trusty pliers. So when we come back, we'll show you what the body looks like spray painted, and something, and the chrome stuff being what it looks like after being black washed. I forgot a color, guys, but this is metallic for the exhaust system. And here's the body. Looks very nice. So we'll see you probably when we start doing frame stuff or motor stuff. Okay, here's a build update. I got the frame, I think almost everything's on. I believe so. I didn't put everything in an interior. Like I didn't put the seats in because I wanted y'all to see the pedals. Anyways, I got the back seat in, got the side wheels in, did that. Seats together. There's firewall, rear stuff. Here's the dash to the Camaro. I will have to go back after I finish putting it together with some flat black to fix that. Get the drive shaft done. Fan belt put together with the fan. I will put this on with the air cleaner. Manifolds are put together and ready for the motor. I got the motor together and then I just painted the aluminum part, so it's drying right now. You know, I did the tire stuff and the rest of this. I did the battery. I meant to do this, the horns, but I got carried away, so that's why the horns like that. And then put body stuff and rims and all that goody good stuff. And then the rest of the motor parts together. And I'll probably show you what it looks like probably before I put the body on for the last build update. But before that, I will show you the motor. And then the build up, then after the motor update, then I'll do probably another build update, and then I'll do the final product of what the car looks like before stickers, and then I'll do it with stickers and then on the shelf. So stay tuned, please subscribe. Okay, welcome back for a build update. So I got the windshield put in, back glass, and the mirror. Getting ready to put the tail lights in, which this is what they look like. Then I'll be putting all the bumpers, mirror, the grilling, and the license plate. And then I will do the tires. Finish putting a few motor stuffs on, like the shimmer, maybe the coil, who knows. That's the horn thing. The firewall, the radios. I was supposed to paint this black panels in with the manifolds. So then I decided to leave it how it is. Put this front spoiler on. These little lights in on the front. Right here, where the circles things are. Got the dash in. Got it painted too. And then I'll probably show you what the tires look like before I put them on. And what the body look like then. And what the body, what the wheels put on. And then what it looks like before decals. And then what that looks like completed. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here it is, it's done, it's finally done. Got the decals on, looks very nice. So you got the license plate on, got the back lights on, back strips on, or stripes. I had to cut them a little bit because they were slightly too long. Got this on, I had to cut that because of the hood. So there's what the motor looks like, if you can tell. So, this is what I want y'all guys to do. I want you to go back to my models to be built soon videos, 2 of them. And I want you to comment on this video that you're watching right now about this Camaro build of which one you want me to build next. And if I get enough comments on a certain one, then I may probably build that one next. But do keep in mind, the Ford is my mom's, it's not mine. So there's another view of the car. So, please subscribe.